Ayo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sabelo here, and I'm back again with another banger video. And as you all heard me saying that we are going to be taking a challenge from zero, absolutely nothing, all the way to $8,000. And in these videos, I'm going to be breaking down the exact steps that we are going to be taking as we approach that $1,000 goal. So allow me to get into it right now. Okay, so for the entire process, we are going to be having about five steps that we are going to take for us to achieve that goal. Okay, and then the first step, since we are going to be starting from the very scratch, and the reason why I'm doing this is to accommodate everyone from every part of the world who comes from absolutely nothing to show him or her exactly that this can be done wherever you come from. Number one is the acquiring of your funds. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you platforms that I personally use to acquire some side funds on the side apart my other ventures. Okay, so number one, we're going to be using Honeygain. So basically, Honeygain is an app that is used to collect data from different people. So it is simple. What you do is basically you install the app on your phone, and then it's use your data to conduct surveys, and I'm going to be breaking it down completely. Okay, so number one is going to be Honeygain, and whenever you use the link in the description, you're going to be getting $5 instantly. So make sure that you check out the link in the description. Okay, so after that, Honeygain. Also, Honeygain is available worldwide. Okay, so anyone from any parts of the world can use Honeygain to acquire the funds. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to be giving you all survey sites. Okay, I know some of you will be starting to say now, oh, okay, survey sites, they don't work, they pay very little, but stay with me, okay. So the sites that we are going to be using, okay, these ones I'm going to be breaking them down in this way. The first one, it is South African based only. Okay, so the first site is going to be Enlighten Panel. So basically you do surveys and then you get vouchers, take a lot vouchers, Netbank cash, ShopRite or Checkers vouchers. So what you can do is you can do these surveys and then you can acquire these funds, and then you can sell these vouchers to someone who's going to be doing groceries, and then they can give you cash in exchange, and then you can use that money to find your account. So Enlighten Panel is the survey site, and it is only for South Africans. Okay, and then the other one is Survey Time. Survey Time is a global website, so they basically pay you instantly straight to your PayPal account, and then you basically also do surveys. They range from a 5-minute survey to a 20-minute or 30-minute survey. They are very easy to do. I have personally used them, and I'm going to be showing you all here the proof that I have done these things myself. Okay, and then the third one, I recently just bumped into this one. This is called remote work. As you can see here, that's the site that you use, and this one they pay you every week. So every week on Tuesday they pay you, and you'll also be going to be simply doing surveys. And the ones that I have came across on this site is whereby you double check a product. Like they will give you a product that is listed on Amazon, and then they will give you a scenario, and then they will have a question and then an evidence. So you're basically checking if in the evidence they're answering the question that they are asking. So that is what you're simply doing, just surveys. You know how surveys works. Okay, and then before I get into this interesting one, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you give this video a thumbs up, and you leave a comment as to which parts of the video you're liking, and how would you like me to continue doing this type of challenge. Okay, so these are the two best ways to get these funds very fast. Okay, so this is going to apply to someone who is an absolute beginner. So if you have been exposed to Forex, then this might not work for you because you might have came across these ones. Okay, so this is going to be you acquiring funds through XM and Just Forex, and I'm going to be linking the link to Just Forex in the description below. and also XM in the description below. So you basically register an account with these brokers, and then after registering the account, you verify your account. After verifying your account, and then you're going to be eligible for a $30 bonus that you can use to trade within your account, and then whatever profits that you make outside that $30 you can withdraw. So yeah, that wraps up our way of acquiring these funds in order for us to get started with this challenge right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you on the screen the actual ins and outs of how you go about in terms of accessing all of these platforms in order for you to get the funds. With that being said, I'll see you all on the screen.